In the boundless depths of the ocean, a tiny flounder swam. Blessed with no grand fins or impressive scales, the little creature struggled to survive. Yet, what the flounder lacked in size, it made up for with an indomitable spirit. One day, a storm swept through the ocean, churning the waters and hiding all in its path. The flounder, caught in the tumult, lost sight of its home. In the darkness, it felt an overwhelming sense of fear and loneliness. A wise old turtle, observing the chaos, saw the young flounder's plight. Recognizing the flounder's determination, the turtle offered to guide it. The flounder, though small, was too afraid to venture into the storm again. The turtle, understanding the flounder's fears, explained, "Bravery is not about size, but about the choices we make. I will show you a path, but you must have courage to follow it." The flounder, with newfound determination, agreed to follow the turtle's lead. The journey was long and arduous, but the flounder persevered. The storm gradually subsided, and the flounder found itself in an enchanting coral reef. The reef was a haven, filled with vibrant colors and friendly sea creatures. The flounder, finally at home, realized the true power of courage. It was not its size that had saved it, but its courage to face the storm and follow the turtle's guidance. The flounder, now proud and confident, swam amongst its new friends, ready to face any challenge that came its way. In the end, the tiny flounder, with its courage, had proven that size does not define one's capabilities. Courage, like the flounder, can be small and unassuming, but it can lead to great things. And so, the flounder became a symbol of hope and courage in the ocean, inspiring all who saw it.